Okay, guys, now we'll be learning about the ternary operator. So I'll be creating a new file. Just save it in the desktop. Just call it main.cpp. Right. Now I'll be writing the boilerplate. Saying main return 0. Right. So we'll be learning about ternary operator. So what is a ternary operator? A ternary operator is a simplified form of an if and else statement. For example, if say a person has a car body, alright, now if car is equal to body print truth, else else print false. That's simple as that. Right. After just build and run it. Okay, identify the return type, the type of the variable, which is a string. Let me just build and run it. And this should display true. And as you can see, it is displaying true. Now if I say I change it to BMW, it has to display false, which it does. Alright. So as you can see, the if and else statement is taking around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. But this thing can be written in just one line using the ternary operator. And how is that I'll show you. Yeah. So the syntax of the ternary operator is first you need to write the condition over here. Then you have to put a question mark. Then if it is true, you have to write some condition over here. Which what is the false condition? So now first thing what you have to write is the condition, which I'll be writing here. If car is equal to what is right, then put a question mark. Then we will print else what you need to do is print false. Let me just pull that one. And you can see it is printing true. As you can see, we are using the if and else statement, which is taking around 5 lines. Whereas using the ternary operator, we have finished it with only using one line. The syntax is, I'll be writing it down here. First, we have to write the condition. sorry for the spelling mistake. Condition, right? Which is this one. This is the condition. If card is equal to Audi, which it is Audi. Card is Audi, right? Then you have to put a question mark. If this condition is true, what will happen should be written over here. So that to statement. Then you have to put a colon and you have to write what will happen if this condition is false, which I've written here. Can you see it? Yeah. So write false statement. Yeah, this is the so I think so it's not visible. Yeah, so this is the syntax of ternary operator. Alright. So that is all for the ternary operator. It is a simplified form of an if and else statement. If you need even you can next the ternary operator. For example, if I say uh, string name is equal to things and string is equal to body. Right. Now let me write an if and else statement. Right. If name is equal to James and the name is James, right? And if R is equal to body, the name is James and the car is body, right? Let me just read this. Let me write down else. So just copy this one. The name is James and the car is not Audi. Right, write an else statement. Alright, so the name is not James. Right. So we know the name is James and it is Audi, so this one should get printed. The name is James and the car is Audi. So let me just build that one. And you can say the name is James and the car is Audi. Now consider I changed the name of the car. Right. Now this one should get printed. Right. The name is James, the car is not Audi. The name is James and the car is not Audi. Now the same thing can be written using the ternary operator, just a single line. Alright, I'll show you how it's done. Let me just comment this. Right. Now first what I have to do is write a condition, which is the first condition which I have written over here is name is equal to James. I'll just copy it and just paste it over here. Right. Now the next thing is you put a question mark and you have to say what is, if this is true, what is the next step? Which is the true condition, which is the same car is equal to Audi, which is copy it and just paste it over here. Right. And this is also a condition. Now if this condition and this condition is true, what has to be done is I put another question mark and I'll just copy this one and just paste it over here. Right. So this will get printed if this one and this one is true. Else I'll put a colon. Else this one should be printed. Just copy it and I'll just paste it over here. Right. Else what has to be printed is this one. So I'll put another colon and I'll just paste it over here and that's it. And there's no requirement of semicolon. As you can see here, there's no requirement of semicolon. Alright, I think almost everything is right. Alright, now let me go to the first example and write audit. Alright, scroll down, let me just print and run it. And you can see the name is James and the car is Audi. If I just change the car name to the and run this, you see the name is James and the car is not Audi. And you can see while we have written the if and else statement using so many lines, we have just finished it using a single line using the ternary operator. You can see how powerful it is. Right. Now this is the ternary operator. Alright. Now I'll be stopping it.